Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome to the channel that gives back to the hood, so you know what's good. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't yet. Click like. We're going to get into the Air Jordan 3 Racer Blue right now. Hey, what's up? What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Broadway J, the host of this channel, Kickz and Beatz. Now, we got another one to bring for you guys to the table today. This shoe came out about 8 days ago. Yeah, July 10th. Retailed for $190 USD. Let's get into it. This is the Air Jordan 3 Racer Blue. See how this one looks real quick. Of course, this is a real old silhouette, guys. Silhouette came out in the 80s. That's how old this is. So the technology is old as well when it comes to the midsole. Real old school comfortability. But anyways, let's just see how it looks, you know. This is the box right here. I like how the box looks. The box looks pretty cool. Here's the front of the box. Check out the tag info. That's the tag info right there. Shout out to the sneakers app, Nike sneakers app. That's where I got the W from. It's about time, because I never get W's. Here's the paper if you guys are interested in seeing how it looks. Got the elephant print design on the paper. Hey. Alright. These look pretty dope, honestly. These are cool. From what I'm seeing and feeling here, this is kind of tumbled up here. Yeah, you got tumbled leather for the upper, guys. Take a look. Bro, that's crazy. Is it just me, or does this not really look too much like elephant print? I don't know, guys, but I don't really like that too much. It doesn't look like elephant print. It looks like something else. You know, the traditional elephant print you always see on Air Jordan 3s, it does not look like this, that's for sure. But at least this is 3M. This does feature 3M. This does have that reflective feature on it. We're gonna show you guys in a bit. Once I put this on for you guys, that up close on feet look. You're gonna be able to see then. But yeah, this comes with 3M on this elephant print section that does not look like elephant print. This comes with tumbled leather. Here's the inside. Check out the tag behind the tongue. It's like 10.5 true to size, because you can go true to size with this shoe, no problem. This has like a gas-like smell to it for some reason. Some sort of gas-like scent. It's really weird. The tongue feels has some cushion to it, not too much though. Still feels pretty thin. You got a blue Jumpman logo inside for the insole. Not really much to say about this shoe, guys. We've been seeing this since like what, 1987, I want to say 1987 or 1988. This silhouette, real old silhouette. Check out the back. Jumpman in the back with Air instead of the Nike logo. Here's the bottom. It's pretty decent. Like, I'm not gonna lie, the colors look pretty nice. I like the gray they selected for this. You know, the blue, the black, it goes hand in hand. The white, it looks nice, but I don't like this too much. I wish it would have actually looked like elephant print. They should have done that. I don't know why they didn't. That's the only thing I gotta say about this shoe. This section, nah, but everything else is looking pretty good. Pretty nice shoe. Am I gonna keep this in the collection? No, and the only reason why I'm not, as nice as this looks, is it's not comfortable enough to me. These days, it has to be comfortable for me, you know? Or hey, who knows, maybe if I could find like a different insole to replace with these, maybe I'll keep them, but I haven't bumped into a real nice insole as of yet. If you guys know of any like dope insoles that feel similar to Boost material from Adidas, please let me know below in the comment section so I could try one out. I'll probably even do a review on it. Let's show you that on feet look. Yeah, let's get to it. Well, that's it for the video, guys. It was a real short one once again, but you know how it is sometimes on this channel. So let us know what you think about this. Cop or drop below. I really care about your thoughts and opinions, guys, and stay tuned because we have another giveaway coming up in 2 weeks, you know, on the 1st of every month, like I said. That's what we do here on the channel. And we have another early look arriving soon. It should have been here already. I don't know what's taking so long, but we do have another nice one coming up soon. Stay tuned for that one. It's another easy pair. But anyways, your boy Broadway J, host of the channel, Kickz and Beatz, and I'm out, y'all. Peace.